We talked about the cell function. Now we will understand what is entire cell and type of plants of cells. So let's understand the basic. What are the classification of plant? The classification of plant is pretty simple. So first of all, plant is the pioneer of each being here. And how is that so? It is due to its nature of being autotrophic. Due to its nature of autotropicness, us humans are dependent on it. And similarly, many other organisms. You might be wondering that there are organisms which are non-veg and they will eat different type of animals but not plants. But so let me tell you, the animals that those type of animals eat do consume the plants. It means that no matter what happens, plant is always consumed. It is a pioneer of each being's metabolism inside its body breakdown and building up. That's the thing. So it is the pioneer of each being according to the food cycle as well. Now, whenever I'm talking about the plants classification, so first classification were done of five kingdoms. What are the five kingdoms? The five kingdoms are the Monera, Protista, fungi, not fungi, I think. So it is, I think, fungi, right? Is it fungi or algae? It is fungi. And Monera, Protista, fungi, plantae, and animalia. So these are the five classification done by R.H. Whittaker, Robert Whittaker in the year 1969, and he taught us that those were the classification of each wing, and that was the generality from which we began. So we began from Monera and we later divided into complex form of Animalia and Plantae. So that's the thing. And whenever you're seeing a classification chart, then left is the least complex organism and the right one is the most complex organism. So that's the average pattern over here. And whenever I was talking about the plants, right? So in plants, the division comes from the presence of organs. So classification is based on the vegetative organs of its, the vegetative organs like the roots, stem, leaves, and flowers, those type of thing. Also, whether the tubes, that is the xylem and phloem, are present within the organisms. Like there are some organisms which do not have xylem and phloem. So whether they do have it or not, that's also a differentiating factor that tells us whether it is of this division or that division. I'm not taking name right now. So that's the thing. So these are the thing on which classification is based upon. And after that comes the flowering one because all are not flowering. So two types, cryptogams and phenograms. Crypto means it does not have flowers, but on phenograms they do have flowers and fruits, right? And in cryptogams there are three types coming from the saline nature to the gradually increasing to the terrestrial nature. That's their thing. So it is a part of evolution as well. Thank you.